Say you love trucking without saying you love trucking.
Hey.
Hey, I love that, man. What's going on, mother truckers, man? We got a mother trucker that came in himself, even though he's had a little bad news. What happened with your truck, brother?
Man, I'm derated to 5 miles an hour, EGR stuff going on.
You know, this is trucking, ain't it?
Yeah, it really is.
You know, when something like that happens, you're like, just take it to the shop.
Yeah, about to waiting on the tow truck right now.
Really?
Yep.
So how the hell? Where's it stuck at?
It's I'm on the line 2 right out there, on in the parking lot right now. It didn't derate until I pulled in the gate, and then whenever I shut the truck off, pulled in the gate, and it started. Whenever I turned it back on, it wouldn't go more than 5 miles an hour.
Man, so you know it's better just to not drive it and get a tow truck.
Yes, sir.
But you know, you're still smiling right now. How the hell are you smiling, man?
Well, everything's, it'll all work out in the end. It always does. It's just part of owning your own business and everything. So
Man, that's crazy, man.
Yes,
you know.
sir.
So, as a joke, introduce yourself real quick.
I am Justin Patterson. I drive for Blue Rooster Trucking. My dad owns the company, and yeah, that's me. We got 2 trucks, 2 trailers, and always hoping to grow when stuff's not broke down.
I love that, man. How old are you now, brother?
I am 25.
25? Man,
Yeah.
I wish I was as far as you and had such a good chip on your shoulder and so positive. You know?
Try to stay that way.
So this is for all the truckers out there, okay? Say you love trucking without saying you love trucking.
Hey.
Hey, I love that, man. So tell me about this truck that's tattooed to your arm right now.
Well, this truck right here, this tattooed to my arm, is the truck my grandfather used to drive. My pawpaw drove whenever I was like 2 years old, 2, 3, 4, and this was his favorite truck that he drove for that company. And it's just, my earliest memory of truck driving was in this truck, sitting in the in a bucket on the floorboard because it didn't have a passenger seat. But yeah, and so that's why I got this tattoo, because that's what started it all for me.
I love it, man. So that's it. Mother truckers, comment down below. Do you got a tattoo of a truck on your body part? And let us know where it is, as long as it's PG.
All right.
I love it, man. Good stuff. Hey.
That right there, mother truckers, is how you become successful in trucking. You just have to be positive. You can't stop. You got to keep on going. Half of everything you do is just showing up every day. Mental health is so important. You got to stay positive in this game. Just like this young man here, man. He's going to make it in anything he does. But you got to do your research, have a maintenance fund. You got to take care of your equipment. You got to treat people right, and you got to be safe out there. But besides all of that, a positive attitude will get you farther than you ever think. Mother truckers, man, people are asking me all the time, right here, how do we get some of that? Go to the AsiaMyShow.com. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Love y'all.